Is the Tata AIA Premier SIP plan the smart investment choice you have been waiting for, or does it fall short of its promises? Let us find out through an in-depth analysis in this video. Hi, welcome to holisticinvestment.in, where we help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now, before analyzing whether this policy is suitable for our long-term plans or not, first let us understand a few basic details about it. So the Tata AIA Premier SIP plan combines two components. First, a plan called Tata AIA Smart SIP, which is a non-participating unit-linked individual life insurance savings plan. So basically a ULIP plan. And also it combines a health rider called Tata AIA Vitality Protect Advance. So this is a non-linked, non-participating individual health insurance rider. So we have already reviewed the Tata AIA Smart SIP plan in detail. You can find the link for this policy review in the description details. So when it comes to the Premier SIP plan, the only major addition is the Vitality Protect Advance Health Rider. Apart from this, there is no significant difference from the Smart SIP plan. So as highlighted in our previous review of this policy, the Tata AIA Smart SIP plan is a ULIP where returns depend on the market performance and the underlying assets. However, various charges such as premium allocation, policy administration, fund management and mortality charges can significantly reduce your overall returns. So the risk taken is not justified by the returns generated by the plan. In short, there are more efficient ways to invest in the market. So what are the key disadvantages of combining a ULIP and health insurance in this policy? This policy carries the same structure with the added health rider. So a portion of the premium goes towards life insurance and the rider benefit, followed by a deduction for Tata AIA Premier SIP plans policy charges, and only the remaining amount is invested in market linked funds. So adding a health rider to a ULIP does not enhance its value. Insurance and investment are fundamentally different needs and should be addressed separately. Combining them, whether through ULIPs, endowment plans or money back policies, generally results in suboptimal outcomes on both fronts. So what is the conclusion? What is the final takeaway from this video? We will go through a ideal way right now. So from a personal finance perspective, we recommend a following foundation. First, you can take up a pure term insurance policy with adequate sum assured, then a separate health insurance policy, preferably a family floater, and then create an emergency fund covering 6 to 12 months of your expenses, including EMIs. These three pillars create a safety net that allows you to invest with confidence. Once you have this foundation set, assess your risk tolerance, life goals, and investment horizon, and then build a diversified investment portfolio accordingly. Do avoid bundled investment insurance products like this that dilute both objectives. And if you want a more tailored approach for your unique financial situation and goals, you can consider consulting with a professional like a certified financial planner who can help design a plan suited for your financial goals.
You can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.